Hello everyone, today day 5 and as you see I'm tired, but let's focus and get right to it. I thought I'm gonna do it right away, and I just picked that up somewhere. It's something very logical nowadays with all the tools we have, also sending voice messages. If you think of a person that you haven't met for so long and you have good thought about this person, send this person a voice message. I know nowadays no one wants to talk, no one has the time to pick up a phone, which is completely understandable. And no one will reply to email, but people will react to your voice message. I did that quite some times now, and all the reactions of the people were amazing. Just when you think of someone you haven't seen for a long time, or it can also be a friend, just share a voice message like, I have thought about you and miss you, how you're up to, and I'm sure the person on the other side receiving that message will be super thankful and it will make their day. Bye.